All right, so we're back at Lushan Country Life, and this is the tour guide right here with a fine group of persons. And we just want to know what this experience really was like for you as you passed by.
It's been very informative and very friendly, and it's very enjoyable experience.
Yeah, very beautiful, tranquil surroundings. So it's beautiful to hear the sound of the birds and peace and quiet and away from the hustle and bustle.
Nice to see the nature of the island as it is untouched.
It's been very enjoyable. Tasting the fruit, seeing Mama's kitchen. It was all lovely with all the remedies. Very good.
Yes, thoroughly enjoyed this afternoon. It's been wonderful. Had plenty to eat, which is always a good thing. And met Mama. She's a very nice person. And come and have a look.
So this is the banana starting form. So this is what forms the bud. So this is the banana pond. Okay? And this is where we get to do the limbo. So let's see how low can you go. Yes. So let's see how low can you go.
Need it lower.
You need it lower.
I used to be good at it.
Let's see it.